It's tea time. I am in a winter wonderland, so you know I'm gonna get some hot tea, but I wanted to jump on for a minute and give you your tea for the week. I am Patricia Moore, and I come on here week to week to spill my tea. It is the good news about Christ. It is to encourage you to build a relationship for yourself, especially during this season. Why? Because we just celebrated the birth of Jesus. And what I want to tell y'all, you have to stop pointing the blame. You have to stop building up a report based off of what you heard. What do I mean? We look at other people's behavior in the church. We look at how other people act. And for some reason, now all of a sudden, that's why I don't believe in God. That's why I don't go to church. Are you serious? So you gonna blame God for how somebody else act? Like, listen, I get it. We're supposed to be examples. And if you see people in church, you think, well, if you in church, you're a Christian, you should know better. You should be doing better. But we're human. That's the whole reason for Jesus Christ, right? Because he died for us, because he knew we were imperfect. Church is a place for imperfect people to come and learn. If I told you about Morehouse, and everybody knows Morehouse is a great college, but I had a bad experience there with a teacher or a professor, and I went spreading all these rumors, would you stop going to Morehouse? Or would you go do an interview, an assessment, and a tour for yourself and get to know the school to see if it fits you? All I'm saying is try him for yourself and stop pointing the blame at that's why I don't go to church. That's why I'm not a Christian. That's why I won't try God. Have you tried him for yourself? Listen, I told my daughter that the snow was cold and that it was wet, and she had never seen it before. And today was her first day. She got to experience it for herself. Now she can go tell people about her own experience, not what she heard or saw from me and what happened. She has her own experience of what snow actually feels like. Go experience God for yourself and stop looking at the behaviors of imperfect people who were full of sin, had to be covered by the blood, okay? We had to be covered by the blood. No. So go try him for yourself and stop pointing the blame to why you don't do what you need to do. All right? Peace out, y'all.